and with you being in the front seat of the
Shots fired, 125.
Advice Cleveland, that was a high-powered rifle on 125 right next to us.
I'm out, kids. 22, just came with me.
Hands out the window. Hands out the window. Out the window.
Open the door from the outside. From the outside. Let me see your hands now. Step out and face away from me.
It's going to be a lease vehicle.
Face away from me. Turn around, face away from me.
Gun! Gun! Don't fucking move! Rifle, it's a rifle.
I heard it.
Careful.
You got out.
Be advised, we got one male in custody, and he does have a rifle. Are you stupid or something?
Yeah, go on.
You are.
What do I do?
We just heard you bust off all them shots.
On body camera. I need two.
You almost got shot, dude. You almost did.
You almost fucking died tonight.
Take him. Get away.
Come on.
Get away from the car.
You got him? My car should be unlocked.
Stop.
Do you have an exact size?
Oh, I need gloves.
We're gonna Superior and E.125th.
Give me gloves. I need rubber gloves.
E.125th.
No, Robinson just tripped the phone.
Copy.
Okay. Where is it?
In front.
It's right here. It was right by. It was right by him, dude.
Yeah,
I almost shot him.
When he got out, I heard it hit.
Mm-hmm.
Unit be advised, customer has been contacted in the hold of this place in vehicle. Advice, Cleveland. We're gonna check the area.
Hey,
See where he shot into.
I knew where. You know, he was shooting in the air.
You set off your information traffic.
All right, we need a GSW kit on that dude, or GSR kit. Yep, and he's going to jail, 100%. Not yet. Actually, I'll leave this here, so when the news comes, bro.